Welcome to this instructional tutorial, review and unboxing of the wide-angle watch camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the watch. This is a cover. A screwdriver with some screws. This is the charger and data transfer cable. And here's the user manual. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. So it's in English as well as Chinese. Okay, so let's take a look at the watch. Okay, so I'm going to remove this mask. Now, in order to install the memory card, you have to remove the back, and to do that there are two screws right here. And you need a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's included with the watch. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now the whole thing comes off with the band itself. Okay, now you have to lift up the battery. And right here is where you install the micro SD card. That's the micro SD card bay. So I'm going to install one right now. Now this camera takes up to 32 gigabytes of memory. Now you have an option to wear this as a watch, or you can put on another back cover which has a magnet and will allow you to mount this against a metal surface and it will stick to it. So I'm going to install that right now to show you. It's right here. As you can see, there's the magnet, and this goes right onto the back like so. And just replace the screws. And now you can use a couple of screws that this comes with. It's included in the package that they give you the driver with. They actually give you 4 of them. So I'm going to install those 2 screws right now. Okay, so I'm going to mount it on a metal surface just to give you an idea. So here's a metal surface just to show you. Right here is the speaker and the microphone. So now that the memory card is installed, I'm going to power it on. Press and hold down the power button for about 3 seconds. Okay. What makes this camera watch different than other ones is that it has a built-in LCD screen. So you can actually monitor the footage as you take it. Okay, now the screen shuts off after just a few seconds, so I'm going to set it to stay on for longer. I'm going to go to settings. Auto screen off. Okay, now it's set to stay on for 1 minute straight. I'm going to go through the other features. The system reset. This is where you restore the camera to factory settings. Here's frequency. The default is 50 Hertz. Here's time setting, so here's where you set the time. motion detection. So to set motion detection, it's off right now. You just go to open, and now motion detection is activated. Loop recording, so you can set that as well, from 3 to 5 to 10 minutes. Here's volume. Now you can either turn it on or off. There's no volume setting to turn it to a desired setting. It's either on or off, so the sound you're hearing now is the loudest it gets, or you could just turn it off. Here's burst, so you have two settings, either 3 shots or 5 shots for the camera. Now there's a delete function. Over here you can remove everything that's on the camera. Here's the language setting. So you have a whole bunch of different languages that you can set it to. Software version. Okay. Okay, now let's take a video. Just go to video. And as you can see here, it shows everything that's in front of it on the LCD. To start taking the video, you just press the record button, which is right here. And as you can see, it's recording right now. To stop recording, press the record button again. Now to go back to the main screen, just press the button right here. Now you can take photos. To take a photo, press the camera button. Now to take a picture, press the camera button right here. To take another photo, press the camera button again. To take another photo, press the camera button again, and so on and so forth. Now to watch the videos and see the photos that you took on the camera, just go back to the main screen, go to photo, and there you go. Here are photos that you took and the videos that you took. Here's another photo, here's another photo, another photo, and here's a video. Now to play back the video, press the play button. To stop recording, press the record button again. There you go. Now you can manually delete photos and videos right here by just clicking on the trash can icon right there. And you just go to the check, and it's deleted. And you can do the same thing with the photos. Or you could just go to the delete function and options that I just showed you before, and that's another way to do it as well. Okay, to go back to the main menu, just go to the corner right here and press the button. So what I'm going to do is, right now I'm going to set the screen, the auto screen off to 3 seconds, because for 2 reasons. If you want to use this as a spy camera, while it's recording you don't want the LCD to show, because then it can be seen what you're recording. So if it just records and it goes off, it's going to be recording video while the screen is off, and this way people won't suspect that it's recording. Secondly, it also saves on battery life, and that's important, because you want to get as much battery life as you can as you're recording. So I set it to 3 seconds to go off. You can always change the setting. I showed you how to do it. Okay, to power the camera off, you have to make sure the clock is showing or something is showing on the screen. and then you press and hold down the button for about 3 seconds, and then the camera will power off. So I'm going to tap it once. And there you go. That's how to power the camera off. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera to see how it turns out. So please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the wide-angle watch camera. Currently doing a video test to see how the video turns out and to hear how the audio turns out. So here we go.
I did it once, but I think they left us alone. Wow, this is third floor blood testing script. You don't think they were
So there you go. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the wide-angle watch camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.